everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the PDF Quad Builder. PDF Quad Builder is a new feature in Odoo 17 which helps to make your quad attractive by adding header pages, product descriptions and footer pages to your quad. So let's move on to the sales module, and in the configuration settings you can manage with the PDF Quad Builder. When you just drag down, you can find the section called PDF Quad Builder where you can make your PDF Quad Builder attractive by header pages, product descriptions and footer pages. So here you can upload the header pages. So let me choose the header page from my system, and you can also set a footer pages. So once you set the header and footer, you can save all other changes. That is the changes you have made. So if you want to set this for a particular template, you can just set a template and do so. So currently I'm not setting any templates over here. Now let's move on to the orders and create a quotation. Here you can fill out the details of the customer, and let's choose the product, which is Aquastic block screen. Now let's get into the internal link of the Aquastic block screen where we have to add the document. So let me upload a document which is of Aquastic block screen. So you can just open the document and you can see the visibility as inside the quad. Afterwards, let's move on to the quotation that we are dealing with. Now you can send this by mail, and so that the customer would receive the PDF quad to the customer mail, and you can send that. And when you just go to the gear icon, you have an option to print, and you can just print the quad over here, and you can see that the header and footer, everything that we have given. Here you can find the header that we have given and the footer is here, and all other descriptions that we have added with a document can be also viewed over here. So this is how we manage with the PDF Quad Builder in Odoo 17, which would allow you to make your quad more attractive. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.